Hello all, welcome to online lecture series on Laplace transforms, lecture number 8. In this lecture also we will continue solving some problems on Laplace transform using first shift property. Let us first recall what is first shift property on Laplace transform. If L of f of t is denoted as f bar of s, then L of e power at into f of t is f bar of s minus a. That is f bar of s in which s is replaced with s minus a. That is to say that it is L of f of t where s is replaced with s minus a. Similarly, L of e power minus at into f of t is L of f of t where s is replaced with s plus a. Now let us find Laplace transform of some functions applying first shift property. Evaluate Laplace transform of e power minus t into cos square t. Because we have e power minus t in this function, we can apply first shift property here. So according to first shift property, L of e power minus t into cos square t is nothing but L of cos square t, where s is replaced with s plus 1. So first let us find what is L of cos square t. Cos square t can be written as 1 plus cos 2t by 2. Now separating the variables, bringing out the constants, we get 1 by 2 times L of 1 plus L of cos 2t. We know that L of 1 is 1 by s and L of cos 2t is s by s square plus 4. So this is equals to 1 by 2 times 1 by s plus s by s square plus 4. Taking LCM and simplifying, we get 2s square plus 4 by s into s square plus 4 into 2. If 2 gets cancelled, we get s square plus 2 by s into s square plus 4. This is L of cos square t. Now let us apply first shift property to derive L of e power minus t into cos square t. So according to first shift property, L of e power minus at into f of t is L of f of t with s replaced with s plus a. So that L of e power minus t into cos square t is equals to L of cos square t, where s is replaced with s plus 1. And we already derived L of cos square t as s square plus 2 by s into s square plus 4, where s is replaced with s plus 1. So if we replace s with s plus 1, we get s plus 1 whole square plus 2 by s plus 1 into s plus 1 whole square plus 4. Expanding s plus 1 whole square and adding the terms, we get s square plus 2s plus 3 by s plus 1 into s square plus 2s plus 5. This is Laplace transform of e power minus t into cos square t. This is second one. Evaluate L of e power 4t into sin 2t cos t. Now at this time you all well know that because we have e power 4t into some function here, we use first shift property. So here f of t is sin 2t into cos t. So let us first find the Laplace transform of sin 2t into cos t. L of sin 2t into cos t can be obtained by multiplying and dividing with 2, because we have a formula for 2 sin a cos b as sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. So using this formula, 2 sin 2t cos t can be written as sin 3t sin of a plus b, that is sin 3t plus sin t, that is sin of a minus b. So using linear property, L of sin 3t plus sin t can be written as L of sin 3t plus L of sin t, that is equals to half times L of sin 3t is 3 by s square plus 3 square plus L of sin t is 1 by s square plus 1. So this is L of sin 2t into cos t. Now to find L of e power 4t into sin 2t into cos t, we apply first shift property. So using first shift property, we can write L of e power 2t e power 4t into sin 2t cos t as L of sin 2t cos t with s replaced with s minus 4. As we have already derived L of sin 2t cos t as 1 by 2 times 3 by s square plus 9 plus 1 by s square plus 1, where s should be replaced with s minus 4 according to first shift property. So if we replace s with s minus 4, we obtain 1 by 2 times 3 by s minus 4 whole square plus 9 plus 1 by s minus 4 whole square plus 1, which gives 1 by 2 times 3 by s square minus 8s plus 25 plus 1 by s square minus 8s plus 17. So taking LCM we get 2s square minus 16s plus 38 by s square minus 8s plus 25 into s square minus 8s plus 17. The simplification is simple. Anyone can simplify it easily. Now let us move to another problem. Show that L of sin HAT into sin AT is equals to 2 into a square s by s power 4 plus 4a power 4. So observe the function given here. It is sin HAT into sin AT. First term is a hyperbolic function. Second one is trigonometric sine function. So we know that hyperbolic function, sine hyperbolic function HAT can be written as e power AT minus e power minus AT by 2. Therefore, sin HAT into sin AT is e power AT minus e power minus AT by 2 into sin AT. So, if we multiply this, we get 1 by 2 times e power AT into sin AT minus e power minus AT into sin AT. So now if we take Laplace transform of sin HAT into sin AT, we get L of sin HAT into sin AT is equals to L of 1 by 2 times e power AT into sin AT minus e power minus AT into sin AT. So using linear property, let us separate this. Then we get 1 by 2 times L of e power AT sin AT minus L of e power minus AT sin AT. So we have two terms here. In both the terms we have e power AT into sin AT, and here we have e power minus AT into sin AT. So for the two terms we need to apply first shift property as follows. So according to first shift property, L of e power AT into sin AT can be written as L of sin AT, where s is replaced with s minus a, and L of e power minus AT into sin AT can be written as L of sin AT, where s is replaced with s plus a, because we have here minus AT. So here s should be replaced with s plus a. What is L of sin AT? It is a by s square plus a square. So that gives 1 by 2 times a by s square plus a square. In the first term we should replace s with s minus a minus a by s square plus a square, with second term with s replaced with s plus a. So replacing the corresponding terms, we get 1 by 2 times a by s minus a whole square plus a square minus a by s plus a whole square plus a square. If we simplify it, we get a by 2 times 1 by s square minus 2as plus 2a square minus 1 by s square plus 2as plus 2a square. Taking LCM, we get 4as by s square minus 2as plus 2a square into s square plus 2as plus 2a square. Now look at the denominator. It is of the form a plus a minus b. A is s square plus 2a square, b is 2as. A minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b gives a square minus b square. So this gives 2a square s by s square plus 2a square whole square minus 2as whole square, that is 4a square s square. So that gives 2a square s by, if we expand s square plus 2a square whole square, we get s power 4 plus 4a power 4 plus 4a square s square, and we have minus 4a square s square here. So both gets cancelled and we remain with 2a square s by s power 4 plus 4a power 4. This is Laplace transform of sin HAT into sin AT. Sin HAT is written as e power AT minus e power minus AT by 2, and upon multiplying with sin AT, we applied first shift property. So now let us evaluate L of sin h3t into cos square t, which is very similar as the above problem. We write sin h3t as e power 3t minus e power minus 3t by 2, and if we multiply sin h3t with cos square t, that gives e power 3t minus e power minus 3t by 2 into cos square t. So we take Laplace transform of that. Now we multiply e power 3t with cos square t minus e power minus 3t with cos square t. Then we get 1 by 2 times L of e power 3t cos square t minus e power minus 3t cos square t. Using linear property, we separate it as L of e power 3t cos square t minus L of e power minus 3t cos square t. And here we apply first shift property as L of cos square t with s replaced with s minus 3, because here we have L of e power at, e power 3t. So we replace s with s minus 3. And in the second term we have e power minus 3t. So here we replace s with s plus 3. And how do we get L of cos square t? Cos square t can be written again as 1 plus cos 2t by 2. So first let us derive what is L of cos square t. L of cos square t is L of 1 plus cos 2t by 2. Separate the terms. 1 by 2 times L of 1 plus L of cos 2t. L of 1 is 1 by s. L of cos 2t is s by s square plus 4. Simplifying, we get s square plus 2 by s into s square plus 4. So now substituting this value in the above expansion, we get L of sin h 3t into cos square t is 1 by 2 times L of cos square t with s replaced with s minus 3 minus L of cos square t with s replaced with s plus 3. This we have already obtained in the previous slide. So now we are substituting the value of L of cos square t here, which we derived here. So substituting L of cos square t, we get 1 by 2 times s square plus 2 by s into s square plus 4 with s replaced with s minus 3 minus s square plus 2 by s into s square plus 4 with s replaced with s plus 3. So in the first term in place of s we put s minus 3. In the second term in place of s we put s plus 3. So that we get 1 by 2 times s minus 3 whole square plus 2 by s minus 3 into s minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus s plus 3 whole square plus 2 by s plus 3 into s plus 3 whole square plus 4. So just expanding the terms, whole square terms, we get 1 by 2 times s square minus 6s plus 11 by s minus 3 into s square minus 6s plus 13 minus s square plus 6s plus 11 by s plus 3 into s square plus 6s plus 13. So with this knowledge, I think you can try these questions. These are practice questions for you for this lecture. Evaluate L of e power minus t into sin t cos t. Evaluate L of e power 4t sin square t. At this time, let me mention you that sin square t is 1 minus cos 2t by 2. Now, next one is evaluate L of cos hat into cos at. Cos hat can be written as e power at plus e power minus at by 2. And evaluate L of cos h2t into sin square t. So, with the knowledge above you have obtained, you can easily evaluate these problems. In case of any doubts or clarifications, you can contact me. Thank you for watching the lecture. Keep learning. Bye.